how to hide Messenger notifications. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to hide Messenger notification. So let's begin. There are actually two ways that I would suggest in fixing or hiding your Messenger notifications. The first one is to simply open your Messenger app, go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen, and scroll down and look for notifications and sounds. So click on it, and then you may click on Do Not Disturb, which is the very first option. So what this will do is that it will mute all notifications for all conversations. You may choose for about 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, and until 8 a.m., which is usually the wake up time. So you may choose whichever you want. So I may choose for 15 minutes. And then if you don't want the do not disturb option, you may also turn off the show previews option right here. So there is still a messenger notification. However, it will just state that you have a new message and not the whole content of the message. So you may turn this on or turn this off if you want to. For the second option, you may go to settings right here and go to notifications. Scroll down and look for Messenger. So once you see Messenger, click on it. You may turn off allow notifications, or you may also choose the alert types right here, as well as the banner and the sounds and badges. Just like on the Messenger app, you may also see this show previews option right here. So choose the setting that you want, and then that's it. That's how you can hide Messenger notifications. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.